Hello and welcome to my class. You should have received an announcement from me that will bring you directly to course sites. The first time that you log in or access the link, you will need to register and set up an account. You may want to set up an instructor account so that you can use this later to create courses on Blackboard Ultra as well if you're interested. I've already done that, so I'm signed in and in my course. You should automatically be placed directly into the course you need from the link I provided once you're registered. Once inside the course, you will notice links down the left-hand side. I mainly use two links, Announcements and Collaborate. All announcements for the course will be stored for easy access. Also, you will notice that you receive a copy to your email each time I send an announcement. For Blackboard Collaborate, you can click the down arrow and enter the classroom. This is a place just for those enrolled in this course. We can meet there individually or as a class. The bulk of the material is down the middle of the screen. The class is designed in a module format. The modules expand when clicked. The Start Here module is first. Please read and work through each document included. The next three individual items represent the Student Purchase Pearson textbook product. The first gives them direct access to most of the assignments. Note that these links are embedded to the modules as well. The second item is the gradebook. The third item is not visible to the students as it's the teacher's Pearson product. After that, the weekly materials module format is established. Let's look at a sample. Week 1. Notice that all the materials needed for Week 1 are included in this module. Their goals, instructions, learning materials, and assessments are outlined. Hope this helps. Best wishes for a successful semester.